So here's how to change email ID on Hostingr. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Hostingr account. Then click on the account option at the top right corner. After that, click on the account information here. Once you click on this, now it will redirect you to this page where here you will be able to view all of your social logins. Go to this section and delink all of your social accounts here. To add a new email address at Hostingr, you have to first delink your social logins and then click on the account settings option. Now click on the email and here you have to enter your email address. Then click on the continue option here. After clicking on to this continue option, here you have to enter your password. Now you have successfully changed your email address. So that's how to change email address on Hostingr.